So it is a full-blown 360-degree camera, and you can turn it on and off just by pressing the button. And you can actually see a full 360 bubble as well. There's actually a play and pause button. You can just touch the screen. If you're in drive, you have your view button, and you can actually change to different ones. So you have this view here, which will show you the 360 around your car, the 180 in front of your car, and then this will show you where you're projected to go, left and right, tell you what you're close to, and it'll still give you your 360 degree view here. Tapping on the screen on this one here is going to change backup, so you have front and back here. In reverse, you have your reverse backup. All of your sensors are going to be sensing where everything is. And then again, you have a wide angle camera, and then you have a narrow angle camera as well. Popping back into drive, switches right over. You always make sure you check your surroundings, and you're good to go.